Hey everybody, stick around for Tech Talk because I'm going to be talking to Kathy from Concord Marine Electronics isn't this freaky, in the Concord Marine Electronics studio. Oh my God, it's like Concord Marine Electronics squared. Here we go. Okay, so in case you haven't heard, I'm at Concord Marine Electronics talking to Kathy. Kathy is the general manager, and a lot of captains ask questions about how to get things done. So Kathy, could you run through the process of a captain calling in for service? Because a lot of people, have issues with this.
Of course. First thing you're going to do, dial in. You will get a person at the other end of the phone.
Nice.
We'll answer the phone efficiently, take down what the issues are with the vessel, look for a time on the schedule it with the appropriate technician. Technician will show up on time, on the day they're supposed to be there. Project gets solved. End of story.
You forgot billing. You guys are going to have to pay.
Of course, at the end, there is an invoice.
Okay, who are they going to call when they, who are they going to be talking to when they call?
When they call in, they're going to be talking to our service coordinator, Gail, who's lovely.
Okay, and Gail will take the call, and then the text gets scheduled.
Correct.
Okay, what if there's a snafu? Who takes over from there?
Well, it depends what kind of snafu. Sometimes it's a snafu and the tech can handle it directly. Sometimes Gail can handle it. Sometimes I will handle it.
Because you're kind of like, you take care of everything.
We are customer service freaks.
You are customer service freaks.
I know.
You around here are the fire putter outer. Mm-hmm. But I do have a question. I mean, do you have a lot of satisfied customers? I mean,
well, let's see. We recently have, I think we're at 162 5-star Google reviews.
That's a big deal.
I'd say yes.
That's a big deal.
That's a big deal.
Okay. Want to add anything else?
I will tell you, we have the best technicians you've ever met in your life. They are just genuine people. They will help you through any problem you have. Good guys.
Sounds
Can't
good.
say enough about my team.
All right, we're going to be wrapping this up in the Concord Marine Electronics studio. All right, till next time.